This is nice. Where'd you get this at, miss? Stop. Shut up. Wait, let me make sure. Shut up. Yes, making sure. Shut up. Okay. How do I erase this? How do I erase? Oh, heck yeah. This is so cool. Where'd I get 49? Oh. I don't want to box it, but I will. That's how I usually do it.
So do we agree that 7n cubed minus 63n squared plus 7n minus 49n minus 7 is the correct answer?
No.
Where was the mistake made, Mario?
A negative times a negative or positive.
Oh, wait, I messed it up.
Yeah, right here we had negative 7n or negative 7 and you forgot that 8n.
Yeah.
So that would be plus 56n. So this here in the middle would give us plus 63n minus 7. So do you agree it's 7n cubed minus 63n squared plus 63n minus 7? Yeah, and this is why I keep telling you guys to be cautious with those negative signs. Make sure that you are being careful there. All right, so do we agree that this is 16r squared plus 40r plus 25? Yes, we had our like terms of 20r that had to be doubled because this was a perfect square. We're taking 4r plus 5 times 4r plus 5. All right, so do we agree that it is 6b squared minus 7b minus 6? No, what should that top corner be? Should just be 3b squared. You're taking 1b times 3b. So it should be, do we agree with 3b squared minus 7b minus 6?